I represent Mazaran Capital, which is a holding company, and we have a couple of LPs, investors behind us, which are two groups, one in the Middle East, one in Europe, and we look for extraordinary high return investments in the mining space and oil and gas, but here is mining space. Well, actually, that's a very important point. We like to put our capital in the most de-risked environment, which means close to actual production. So we would look at funding construction finance or anything around that, but we wouldn't put money into exploration under any circumstances, except if it's a particularly short exploration cycle. And some minerals actually have extremely short exploration cycles. But they are more like, let's say, for example, calcium carbonate, which is not a metal. So then we would look at it. Well, I mean, we've had, of course, ups and downs, but in the past we've done some actually quite exciting coal investment in Indonesia, which went quite well. I've heard a lot of horror stories around coal and around Indonesia, but in our case we have nothing to complain about, apart from some of the usual minor irritants, but we could solve those issues fairly quickly. It boils down to having the right partner on the ground and having a very simple business model, like being close to the jetty, 9-10 kilometers, it helps a lot. And having a coal which is easily marketable, so it helps a lot as well. So by being careful of having the cheapest cost of production and the cheapest cost FOB, then you are quite protected in case of a downturn. Well, I mean, there's plenty of parameters, but it's apart from the gut feeling, which is always a very important parameter, you always look at how the deposit, may perform. The cost of production is key, and the logistic and the ease of logistic is also very important. But that builds into a cost, a price FOB, which should put you in the lowest quartile of the industry. When you do that, then you are in a better position to withstand the hard times. And we are looking for dividends, we are looking for cash flows. So that's what is the most important. We are not looking for listings. Eventually, if somebody makes a good offer, then we can sell our stake, but obviously this is not the prime concern. We are looking for high dividend for long term. Well, it's a good opportunity to meet a number of people in a short time, reconnect with those we've met in the past. Obviously, most of the companies here are listed, but they have assets which can be, invested at the asset level. So, we keep our options open. We have discussions with a number of people, and we hope that over time they will build into a more concrete relationship. Obviously, the format deployed by one-to-one is very appropriate for this type of search exercise. And we thank the one-to-one group for their efforts over the years. And I must say that today this conference has actually is the climax of what has been done in the past, with great attendance in terms of the mining companies, of good quality deposits, which is important, and good quality management, and as well as the usual family office and investors come along like me.